Hello and welcome back to another Mahlkönig how-to video. Today in the studio we have the new X64 SD, the new single dose grinder by Mahlkönig, and we're going to show you how to 0 point your stepless grind wheel. Now this has a very simple mechanism where if you turn it anti-clockwise, you have this numbered wheel on the inside which moves, but this wheel will stop at 0. And if you're making espresso and you can't get fine enough, that means that your grinder needs to be made slightly finer by 0 pointing the grinder. So with the grinder running, I can hear it 0. I mean, it might be fine, but the burrs still aren't quite close enough together. With the grinder running, turn your grinder to the finest setting. This is anti-clockwise. Then with your fingers, you're going to grab the number dial and pull it towards the grinder. And at the same time, turn the grind adjustment wheel to the finest setting until you hear the burrs begin to touch and release. So that means now the grinder, when you turn it anti-clockwise, it won't go any further than 0, but now you know at 0 the burrs are like touching. So that's as fine as you can go, which means you can make proper espresso and your grinder is properly 0 calibrated. And that is it. It's a very, very simple, easy mechanism, but we think that is a really, really nice, easy design. Okay, so that is how you 0 point your X64 SD single dose grinder. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below and one of the team will get back to you. And we'll see you in the next video. We hope you enjoyed that video and found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with all things Mahlkönig. If you want to watch more videos, then check out the playlist on screen. We'll see you in the next video.